Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we're doing our first video hanging basket tutorial of the year. Now this basket is one of the tried and true favorites we have grown since day one, and it's our 17th season, so it's definitely stood the test of time. This is our Peaches and Dream, and now what we do for every basket is we have one of these little packages, and this is going to have all the information whoever's planting needs to know. This is what the basket looks like, and this shows us where the plugs need to go and what we are planting. So the Peaches and Dream basket has 2 Begonia Illumination Golden Picotee and 2 Begonia Illumination Salmon. So this is for our reference. This tells us how many are going to be for retail and how many are for custom, and the price. And then in here we also have all of the tags that go on the top of the basket hanger and the price tags. So first we have to get it planted before we price it. We always start with fertilizer. Now we get 2 million questions about what type of slow release fertilizer we use in our baskets. You'll see us in our videos using these green beads, and it is the same type of product as what we sell retail in the store. We just buy big bulk bags because we go through so much. It would be silly to use the smaller type because we just go through hundreds of them. So the stuff you would buy is yellow beads, and this is Garden Pro Hanging Basket 14 14 14. This is what you'll buy in store, and again we're just using the green beads because that's what comes in the bulk size bags. Put a scoop on there. Before planting, we always water it in. Takes a minute or two for that to really soak in. When we're doing this, we do tons at a time, so we're not waiting for each basket to dry out. Okay, if you have watched our videos before, we always have a dibble board for each basket recipe, and for this one we use dibbler number 1, the OG. We press it in, and then we know exactly where the plugs go. This basically looks like a 4 dice, and this might be fairly simple, but when you're doing hundreds of them, it can get off center really quickly. So we make these ourselves. The boys have put these together over the years. We don't sell them because everyone's recipe is different. So you would make one for your own recipe. We make ours for our recipes. That's how it works. Just simple plywood and an old kitchen handle, some wooden dowels. So our begonias came in, they look beautiful. We always use a little pickle fork to pull the plugs out. This is Begonia Illumination Golden Picotee, and we're just going to plant them opposite of each other. Now with begonias, they always have a pointy side to the leaf. That point is the direction the flowers will come out, so make sure that's pointing to the outside of your container. Begonias are super fussy about depth. Plant them level or slightly above level in your container. Otherwise, the flowers will all go inward and you'll never see them. So our second tray is Begonia Illumination Salmon Pink. The Illumination series are begonias that trail. So this might look super small, but by even the end of May, early June, this will be probably 2 feet long. Hard to believe, but it's true. So 4 begonias, that's what goes in this mix. Next we add our hanger. And now we price it. If you visited our greenhouse before, we always put a price sticker on the bottom so that when you're looking up at the baskets because they're hanging, you can see the price. And then the hang tag, which also has the price and some growing information for you. So there we have it, the first hanging basket of 2026.